In the ever evolving construction industry, efficient project management is crucial for ensuring on time delivery, cost management, and quality control. Procore, a leading construction management software, has emerged as an indispensable tool for industry professionals. As of 2025, Procore continues to evolve with robust features that cater to the needs of contractors, architects, engineers, and project managers. This video serves as a comprehensive tutorial for mastering Procore, exploring its features, benefits, and practical applications. Overview of Procore. Procore is a cloud-based construction management platform designed to streamline workflows, improve communication, and provide real-time insights into construction projects. Its modular structure allows users to choose tools specific to their needs, covering project management, resource management, financials, and safety compliance. In today's fast-paced business environment, the success of project often hinge on the efficiency of the tools used to manage it. From task tracking to collaboration, the integration of robust management solutions can simplify workflows, enhance team performance, and ensure project goals are met on time and within the budget. This video delves into the key areas where integrated management tools make a difference: project management, document management, financial management, resource management, and collaboration tools. First, let's discuss its project management, task tracking, scheduling, and RFIs. Effective project management begins with clear task tracking and scheduling. With tools designed to monitor progress, assign tasks, and prioritize deadlines, team can focus on execution rather than organization. Scheduling capabilities allow managers to allocate resources efficiently while ensuring deadlines are achievable. Additionally, managing RFIs, requests for information, ensures clarity and minimizes delays caused by miscommunication. A structured RFI system allows stakeholders to address critical questions early in the project lifecycle, fostering alignment and reducing the risk of bottlenecks. Next, let's talk about its document management. Centralized storage with version control. Centralized document management plays a crucial role in streamlining operations. By consolidating files into a single organized repository, teams can avoid confusion caused by scattered or outdated information. Version control ensures that everyone works from the most current documents, eliminating errors and reducing time spent verifying file accuracy. This system also provides a traceable history of changes, which is invaluable for auditing purposes or resolving disputes. Moving into its financial management, budget tracking, invoicing, and forecasting. Financial oversight is critical in any project, and integrated tools for financial management bring visibility and control to this complex area. Budget tracking allows managers to monitor expenditures in real time, ensuring projects remain financially viable. Invoicing systems streamline to the billing process, reducing delays in payments and maintaining cash flow. Forecasting tools provide insights into future financial requirements, helping teams plan proactively and avoid overspending or resource shortages. Next, resource management. Time tracking and manpower allocation. Optimizing resource utilization is key to achieving efficiency. Time tracking tools allow managers to monitor how team members allocate their hours, ensuring accountability and identifying areas where productivity can improve. Manpower allocation features enable leaders to assign the right people to the right tasks, balancing workloads and preventing burnout. This tool helps maintain morale and ensure projects progress smoothly, even under tight deadlines. Now that we know its features, let's move on to the best practices for using Procore, ensuring efficiency and success. Procore, a leading construction management platform, offers a wide array of tools to streamline project management. However, to maximize its benefits, it is essential to follow best practices that ensures its effective implementation and use. This video outlines key practices such as onboarding your team, maintaining regular updates, establishing communication protocols, and prioritizing data security. First, make sure that you onboard your team. A well-executed onboarding process is pivotal for the successful adoption of Procore. New users must be equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to navigate the platform effectively. Procore provides a wealth of training resources, including certifications, courses, role based training modules, and interactive webinars, which cater to the varying needs of project managers, architects, and contractors. This tailored training session allowed team members to focus on the features most relevant to the rules. Additionally, creating a team specific manual that outlines key workflows and processes within Procore can serve as a quick reference guide, ensuring a smooth integration into daily operations. Next, make sure that you have your team regular updates consistency. And updating project data is essential for successful project management. Procore's real-time synchronization capabilities enable teams to track progress, spot potential delays, and address issues proactively. To harness this benefit, it is vital to encourage team members to log updates daily. This practice ensures that all stakeholders have access to accurate and up-to-date information, facilitating better decision making. Instituting daily or weekly check-ins using Procore's reporting tools can further promote accountability and ensure that all team members remain aligned with project goals. Next, set up communication protocols. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful project. Procore offers a range of tools designed to enhance team collaboration, including project announcements, group chats, and integrated email threads. To maximize the efficiency of these tools, it is crucial to establish clear communication protocols. For instance, high priority updates can be shared through project announcements, group chats can be reserved for quick clarifications, and emails can be used for detailed discussions. By defining these guidelines, teams can minimize misunderstanding, reduce unnecessary back and forth, and keep all stakeholders aligned. Lastly, it is important to have data security. Data security is a top priority when managing sensitive project information. Procore's rule-based access permissions provide a robust framework for controlling who can access specific tools and documents, ensuring that only authorized personnel can view or edit sensitive data helps maintain confidentiality and project integrity. Regularly updating passwords and enabling multi-factor authentication are additional measures that can further enhance security. Moreover, conducting periodic audits of user access and data activity allow teams to identify potential vulnerabilities and address them proactively. By implementing these practices, organizations can safeguard their projects and maintain client trust. Implementing Procore effectively requires a combination of strategic onboarding, consistent data updates, well-defined communication protocols, and strong data security measures. By following these best practices, teams can maximize Procore's potential to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and ensure the success of their projects. With the right approach, Procore becomes not just a tool, but a critical partner in achieving project excellence. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or new to the field, Procore's continuous updates and extensive supports resources ensures that you stay ahead in the competitive construction landscape of 2025 and beyond. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more topics like this. See you on the next video.